Hey guys, Talkin Jake here to tell you about a couple starting pitchers who are in Fuego on the most recent episode of Talking Baseball. Check it out on all the podcast apps. Tell a friend, how about that? Tell that same friend about Jack Flaherty, double deuce for the St. Louis Cardinals. Jack Flaherty's having a crazy season. Watch him drop that dude to his knee. He had a crazy game. Jack Flaherty, 8 innings pitched, 1 hit, 0 earned runs in his last 9 starts. 56.1 innings pitched, 29 hits. It helps when Tommy Edmonds giving you plays like that on the hot corner. But he's also just been dealing. 0.80 ERA in that same 9-game time frame. There he gets Pilar with the gas mask. He's 23 years old, people. Get used to the name Jack Flaherty for the St. Louis Cardinals. Here's another young stud pitcher. How about Max Fried for the ATL Dirty Birds? The Braves is there, no, but NFL season's coming up. Juan Soto can't believe it. Come on, that curveball's not legal, man. Tosses the bat. Yep. Max Fried walks it off. He's going to go out there and you're going to watch a litany of just dirty 75-mile-per-hour curveballs. He mixes in the gas mask a little bit. I think we get one 95-mile-per-hour heater. I didn't know he had that. Oh, speaking of great plays by third baseman, bringer of rain, Josh Donaldson. I guess that helps out. When both these pitchers are getting this kind of help, there's another yacker. Max Fried goes 7 innings pitched, 1 hit, 0 earned run. In his team, Soto goes down again. In his team's last 9 starts with him on the mound, they're 9-0. He's 7-0 personally, a 3 flat ERA. He's 25 years old. In this game, he put down 19 straight. The 1 hit was an infielder dribbler. Donaldson, not so great on that one. He still gets the out. Max Fried twirls an absolute gem. There's the gas mask number 3 for Soto. Tough break. Hey, why is Lucas Giolito on the screen? Because guess what? They all went to the same high school in California. All 3 of them. Flaherty, Fried, and Giolito. Giolito might have the biggest bragging rights because he got the All-Star game. How about that next time you talk about your high school team?